Hi, I'm Wade.
And I'm Lorraine.
And we are
on the off-ramp.
And today finds us at Saguaro National Park.
Yeah, we're here in Tucson, Arizona, and had a stopover at a ranch. What an experience! Friends who sold us the van live here in Tucson, and we looked them up and we had an experience that we didn't expect. Join us as you see a beautiful farm ranch and horses, animals. We were out of our element and loved it.
Texas, and we've seen New Mexico,
and now we're entering into Arizona.
We should be in Arizona for about 2 weeks or so, I think.
Yeah, the next 2 to 3 weeks will be spent here in Arizona. So different horses have different kinds of grain?
Yes.
Just like we like to eat different kinds of food too.
Yeah, well, it depends on their needs.
Okay.
You know, some of them are very old and they don't eat very well.
All right.
So we have to give them sort of fairly
specific food then.
Specific food, yeah. When they get older, they don't digest or behave very well.
And this end of the day, feeding what, 34 horses?
34.
34? How long does that take you at the end of the day?
A couple hours. 34 horses, 23 cows, 2 goats, 9 chickens.
Oh my. Okay, the goats and the chickens and the cows, not just the horses.
Well, the chickens, I mean, they just have a feed with it.
Yeah. Yeah, what a process. Wow.
Yeah. It's a job.
It's a job. Okay. Scooping the grain from this bin, and Pauline put it into these pails. There we go. Those horns are something else.
We had 4 cows, and all 4 of them had calves. So the bull's doing his job. Oh. Guys get 4 plates. This is 1. So that's 1, yeah. That a few big plates. 3. Yeah, that's good.
Each of these little bales is called a plate, and the horses are getting their plates of food.
Alfalfa.
Oh,
If we don't do that,
Oh, she's beautiful.
when she's packing the pigs so the cats aren't anymore.
This is not a water truck. Just so you know, this is a beer truck. What a great setup. And that's for when people come over to watch, what, a rodeo there? Or rodeo practice?
Yep. Roping and barrel
Roping.
racing practice.
And you can sit on that truck and watch all the action happening in the ring. Too fun.
Isn't it fun?
Yeah, so they live in Toronto, but they come here, and this is home for them. As you may have seen in the picture, they have a big RV, and we have the one they used to own. And what a fun experience for us to come and watch this ranch in action. Last night we got to help feed the horses and the cows and the calves. I was a little out of my element, I'll have to admit. So we have a couple of horses still sitting in here, but today is a busy day on the ranch. They have quite a few groups coming in to take a ride, and they have a license to go right into the national park right next to here.
Saguaro National Park.
Saguaro? Saguaro. I can't say it. A lot of golf cart adaptations to be able to haul feed and even guests to and from the horse riding area. A collector's dream here, yeah. And the other thing we learned was that all these trees here on the property are mesquite trees. Last night we weren't able to have a fire, but can you imagine the smell of that fire if we would have had it? Maybe we'll be back. Oh, look at this horse. These horses are ready to go. And as you can see, there's a group of riders getting ready to go out. Pauline is registering a rider. If you're in this area in Tucson, we encourage you to try out this ranch. This is a group heading out for a ride. Children and adults. The children have
Pacifico.
Pauline is a great support here at the ranch. Helps with the kids and greets the people when they come. And here this group goes.
Alright. Don't forget, box them in the frame, you put the tape on the back.
Pauline runs ahead to help a little boy with his reins. Teaching them how to do one-handed reins instead of two-handed.
You know.
Yeah.
Tundra's over 30.
Yeah, he's more than 30. I thought he was just 30. Really? Yeah. Looks pretty good for that age. It still takes kids riding and,
Oh yeah.
you know,
Nice and gentle.
smaller
Yeah.
people.
Oh, thanks, Lorraine. Yeah, no problem.
So this is Mike and Pauline. These are the people we bought our van from. Who knew?
They are not retired and relaxed. They relax when they're home.
And that's John Wayne.
The black one?
Yeah.
And here he comes for a visit.
And these are really great horses. We have to have, you know, because we have riders quite often that are way overweight.
Oh
So we
yeah.
have to have very big horses.
Sturdier horses.
These are, I really enjoy large horses. They're so easy to handle.
We'll just walk. Follow on here.
Okay, we're on Douglas Spring Trail. Not sure how many miles or kilometers we're gonna head out. One of the things we do know is that it's a shared trail for walkers and horse riders. So here's our choices of trails and distances. And we are not doing the 12.4 mile one, just saying. So as we go into this hike today, I'm gonna just show you some of the great cactuses that we're gonna encounter, hopefully not touch. And of course, in our travels, we've already seen many of these. But here in the Tucson area is the first time we're seeing the classic, you know, cactuses of the western skyline. There he is. Kind of looks like the tree. He's not quite tall enough.
I can see the shadow. There we are.
You kind of match.
Morning. Yeah, look at all those cacti on the hill.
Yeah, I don't know where we're heading, but
Well, we've traveled 2.2 kilometers.
which doesn't seem like very much, but
But
we
the
climbed.
Right, but the elevation game though was 124 meters, so that's close to 400 feet, I would think.
We're not at the top yet.
We're not at the top yet. We're gonna get there, but we're not there yet.
And one of us really needed to rest. Just not saying who. I just want to tell my sisters I wish I did their workout plan with them, that's all. Oh.
But it's a beautiful view up here. All the saguaro, cacti.
Yeah, there's nothing beats this.
Yeah, it is a beautiful view. And we've come from, well, we can't even see from where we come from.